Sure. One of your stock ideas that you've identified is TCI. This is a stock that had not moved for many years, but in the past 1 year has had a terrific run. Tell us about what the triggers are that you see for TCI going ahead.
Now, since last few months, I think markets have been talking about the logistics and e-commerce. That sector had been in the fancy. The stock has moved by some 3-4 times in the last 1 year, and most of the stocks. But TCI, I think in the last few months, this has been, stagnating, and perhaps this stock is consolidating. Remember, this is the market leader in India, and it's a very well established with the national presence and, with the huge infrastructure and warehouses in place. And the GST is now coming. It's going to be a real, event starting from April 16. I think this is one company. Now look at VRL Logistics. Even when you compare, this looks much better to me. When look at the market cap and sales and profitability. So I feel at around 1,900 crores of market cap, TCI is a very good pick. It's not a multi-bagger, of course, but this should be a very safe and a good compounder for the next many years in coming.
Okay, but Parunji, hi, good afternoon. The sector has already seen a big rally, right? And after that, there's some correction as well. What about the valuations and the risk to your call going forward?
I don't see any risk to this company as it is. Of course, stock price can go up or down by 50 rupees without any reason. But TCI at the current valuation, just see the overall picture of companies involved in this, logistics. I think the listed company space has around $1 billion worth of companies, market cap, which is nothing. Looking at India's requirement for the future, and they have been consolidating. So it makes sense to go with the leader, well established in the space, and I think this can be a multi-bagger eventually. And I think it's a conservative, reasonably good management too.